Good evening internet, welcome back to another new vlog. This vlog is going to be a food vlog. Today is Shoptami, so happy Maha Shoptami to everyone watching this video. So right now I am in sector 5. Today it is around 6:30 in the evening and I am out with some of my friends. They are waiting there. I have started the vlog only, they are waiting for me. So this video is going to be a total food vlog. After many videos I am doing a food vlog. Basically right now, as I told, I am in sector 5 Salt Lake. Here there is a newly opened restaurant called Absolute Barbecue, so I am going to try it there. For the first time I am going to try it there because barbecue nation always we decided to visit a new restaurant. It is quite similar to the Barbecue Nation, but I don't know because I haven't visited yet. So once let me go inside, then I will share my experience. I will share my honest experience whether it is good or bad. So welcome back to the channel, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So now let's start Maha Shoptami food vlog at Absolute Barbecue. So now let's go. So right now I've reached near RDB building. I am opposite to the Pantaloons of sector 5, and there in this building, Omega building, the Absolute Barbecue is there. So now let's get up and I'll show you how the food is there in Absolute Barbecue. So now let's go. So the restaurant is at the first floor of the Omega building, and this is a quite newly opened restaurant, right? So newly opened restaurant. So we are just habituated eating at barbecue. So we have decided to try it once. Let's see how it turns out to be. So there is a queue over here. Oh my God, why? So here is a queue over here. I think we have to write our name first, then they will call. Inside there is empty. There is empty, bhai. Inside there is empty. Since we have to write our name at first, most probably. There was quite a bad scene. We went to the Absolute Barbecue, you saw, and we called there before 2 days. On Wednesday we called through Zomato. They told, what they told? They told that you don't have to reserve any seat. You can walk in and you can, if there is empty slot, you can have a seat. But there were empty slots today. They are claiming that those empty slots are for the one who booked those seats. So many are arguing with the manager who was sitting at the counter at the front desk. So we told that we were told that we don't have to reserve any seat. But here is the scene. A total nonsense.
Absolutely nonsense.
They were not cooperative at all. They were just ignoring us and saying, no, you can't get a seat. So what is the usage of the online helpline? They were just misjudging us. And
they are all useless.
They are all useless. So now we have arrived at the Barbecue Nation at RDB building. This is our one of the famous because the food quality is good. So we have to again come back to the original Barbecue Nation only. Basically there, that is also like Barbecue Nation only.
Yeah, that's right.
And since जो किस्मत में होता है वही होगा, we are again back to the Barbecue Nation. So now we are waiting for one more friend of us. After she comes, then we will enter. Then we will show you the Pujo Special Barbecue Nation dinner. So stay tuned for that. The crowd is not too much today. There is an empty seat right next to us, but still there is a rush. We have booking sleep till 8:30. It is around 7:44 now. So we have booking till 8:30. We have to leave by 8:30, but still the rush is not that much. So guys, this is the crispy chicken. For the first time I am trying it. This is a new addition to their menu. KFC style crispy chicken. This is a new addition to the menu. And this is the 4th or 5th round going. And just see the crowd over there. It is quietly filled over here. Just have a quick look at the crowd over there. So we will only be having the starters. We will skip the buffet because we don't like it. It's based on everybody's tastes. So we will first check if we like it. So we'll give a try, just a little bit. Then the dessert, gulab jamun and all. I can't show you there because it is not allowed. So after I take it to the table, then I'll show you what we are having at dessert. So we are done with the main course. With the starter. So straightly we will head towards. So done with the starter now. Straight we will head towards the desserts because we will skip the main course because we have 25 minutes in hand to finish all things. So I have taken chocolate ice cream with vanilla ice cream, one small pastry, gulab jamun is finished, and this is walnut brownie. And there, for dessert there were caramel custard, brownie, gulab jamun, kesar finni, pastry, ice cream, many more. But I have chosen this one only because I won't take those and waste those. So better to take those which we will consume, not to waste food. That's not the right thing. The combination of ice cream with brownie is just exotic. My favorite chocolate ice cream, vanilla ice cream with walnut brownie. Our dinner is finished. Now we'll be leaving. So we'll meet you outside. So finally we are out of the barbecue nation. And first let me tell the total bill for 3 of us. It was 1050 into 3. So you calculate how much it will be. And so we had to get out at 8:30 because they were hurrying. Because another slot will start from 8:30. So we had to leave at 8:30 sharp. So the experience was not that bad but good. Because the only problem was of the rushing problem. We had to leave so early. So that's why that is the main issue. Otherwise we only had the starters. We avoided the main course and we enjoyed the buffet also and we enjoyed the dessert also. So this was all, and we luckily got a seat because at the first we had a plan to go to the Absolute Barbecue that is in this Omega building. Then we ran to me and my friend ran to the Barbecue Nation. Then we luckily got a seat for 3 people. So luck was on our side that in this Shoptumi we got a seat at Barbecue Nation. So if you like this video, do give the video a like, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel.
No, don't
Till
subscribe.
then,
Don't subscribe.
this is called Harami Friends in our group. So please do subscribe to the channel, and more Durga Puja vlogs will be coming soon. Till then, bye bye.